Welcome to the Sound Channel.
Welcome back, guys. Let's puzzle together another pair of pants. I had a piece of fleece lying around, so I decided to make another pair of pajama pants. Again, the simple rule: fold it inside out, press it flat, cut it out. There we have our two back panels. Now we want to get our two front panels. Simply fold the pants over, tuck away any fabric that's in your way. You don't need it. All you need to see is the hemline, or where the pants were previously stitched together, so that you can either trace around that or, just as I did, place some heavy rocks on it and simply cut it out. Right, now we have two back panels and two front panels. It really is like a puzzle, guys. We have 4 pieces that we need to attach now. 2 front pieces as I've marked them, and 2 back pieces. We need to attach one front to one back, and it's the same, one front to one back. You do this by placing them on top of each other, right sides facing each other, and you're simply just going to stitch it at the crotch. Right, all done. Now we have 2 pieces, the front and the back, which we now need to join. We're going to do this by stitching on the inner leg. Again, we place them right sides facing each other.
I like my new pants.
Once we've sewn down the inside leg, we do the outer leg and our pants are done. We now just need to insert the elastic waistband and hem the bottom of the pants. So in order to insert the waistband, the elastic waistband, what we'll do is make a fold, leaving a gap. I've attached 2 safety pins to both ends of the elastic band. It helps to maneuver it through as well as to not lose the elastic band. So you simply leave an opening and feed it all the way through. Once it's all the way through, what you'll do is remove the safety pins and stitch the elastic together, and then just close the opening of the pants. The last touch is to hem the bottom of the pants, just neaten it up, and there you go. You've got your pants done all before bedtime. Ready to wear, ready to sleep, super comfy and super warm. I hope that this tutorial has helped you guys. It's the same layout for any pants that you want to do, so please subscribe, let me know if this has helped you, and feel free to share and comment and let me know your thoughts. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.